Lot 168, the 1958 Porsche 356A 1600 Speedster. Black plate and a signal red finish. Can you imagine a more quintessentially California car than this? It's complete with books, tools, and a certificate of authenticity from Porsche as well. It does, however, not have the side curtains listed in the catalog, but again, a signal red Porsche 356 Speedster.
That's good news, Alan. Thank you very much. Such pretty cars, these Speedsters. What should we say? I'm going to be open bidding here at $100,000 whilst the car comes up on stage. $100,000. Would you bid me $100,000 to start me now? At $100,000. Thank you. At $100,000 I have here. Do I have $125,000 now anywhere in the room now? At $100,000, and thank you, sir. $125,000 I am bid. Do I have $150,000 now anywhere now? At $125,000, and the bid's right here. Would you bid me $150,000? Would you bid me $150,000? $150,000 I am bid. Thank you. At $150,000. $175,000 now, gentlemen. We're at $150,000, $160,000, $170,000. Thank you. $180,000 now. Would you bid me $180,000? I've got $170,000 bid against you. Do I have $180,000? Thank you. $180,000. Do I have $190,000 now? At $180,000 then, it's against you, sir. We're just at $180,000. I'll take 10, of course, if you like. We're at $180,000. Do I have any advance? $190,000, new bidder. $190,000, $200,000 now, $200,000 now. At $190,000 then? Absolutely, sir. Well worth the money. $200,000. Do I have $210,000? $210,000 now. We're at $200,000 only, ladies and gentlemen. The lovely little Porsche 356 Speedster seems like a good buy to me. At just $200,000 then. Do I have $210,000 anywhere? At $200,000 then. I have no better bid, ladies and gentlemen. At just $200,000 with a little small 10. $210,000 on my left at 210. At 210, oh hey. At 210 on my left here, do I have 220? At $210,000, do I have 220 now? 210,000, the bid's right there. Well, if there's no better bid, at 215, 215, 220. 220, you bidder, absolutely, I've got you, sir. My colleague is sleeping, but I have you. 225, I've got 220, I've got 220, do I have 225? I've got the gentleman, I've got your bidder, Pete, at 225, thank you. 225, 230, sir. Do I have 230? I'm selling the car at 225 behind you. Weaver, it's your bidder at 225,000. Closer to me in the cab, you're out at the moment, but you can come back in. At 225, do I have 230? 230,000, thank you. Good decision at 230, 235 if you like. We're at $230,000 that I'm selling right here. At 213, it's going for the first time. At 230,000, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Last chance. At $230,000 then, and we're all done. All finished. At 230,000. Sold your car, 230,000. Can I get your number, please? 618? 618.